Now we can put back the oxygen sensor and the bracket. I'm using a special O2 sensor socket and adapter to 1/2 inch, so this should be torqued to 44 Newton meters. Unfortunately, there's not enough space because here is in the way. Okay, I tried this offset O2 sensor socket and it seems okay. So because this is not in the center, it's a little bit away, so I torqued it to 40 Newton meters this way. It should be 44 Newton meters if it's straight up. I don't know, but I think 40 Newton meters this way should be okay. So after we torque the O2 sensor, we can connect the plug into the socket. So over here, so I think it's just press in until you hear a click. So if I can use one hand, so you can see, and here's a plug, here's a socket, you just push it in. It's very hard. See, that's a click. So that's connected. And next I'm going to install the bracket for the cable. Now I have got the bracket in. It's just 10mm bolts. Hand tight is okay. So just get the cable into the bracket